The Supreme Court seems skeptical of states banning conversion therapy aimed at LGBTQ kids. The court hearing arguments today in a case brought by a Christian therapist in Colorado, arguing the state's ban violates the First Amendment. The National News Desk, Jeff Harris, joining us. So while this case is specific to Colorado, it will, of course, likely have national implications. Jeff, break down this case and also what happened in court.
So the case was brought by Kaley Chiles, a Christian therapist based out of Colorado, arguing the state's law banning conversion therapy violates her free speech rights. But Colorado is claiming the law regulates harmful professional conduct, not speech. The goal of conversion therapy is to encourage gay or lesbian minors to identify as heterosexual and transgender children to identify as their gender assigned at birth. The state of Colorado bans the practice for licensed therapists.
Colorado forbids counselors like Kaley Chiles from helping minors pursue state disfavored goals on issues of gender and sexuality.
Based on the questions asked during arguments Tuesday, the Supreme Court will likely decide the state is trying to regulate speech.
If a doctor says, I know you identify as gay, and I'm going to help you accept that, and another doctor says, I know you identify as gay, and I'm going to help you to change that, and one of those is permissible and the other is not, that seems like viewpoint discrimination.
On Tuesday, the court, which has a 6-3 conservative majority, seems skeptical of the state's argument that the speech in question is connected to the kind of conduct that medical regulators usually put restrictions on.
Well, isn't that a reason to apply First Amendment scrutiny when what is being regulated is pure speech?
Some of the court's liberal justices also asking more detailed questions of Chiles' lawyer, including if Colorado has evidence conversion therapy is harmful.
I mean, I think there are like 25 states or something who have similar laws, so someone has some evidence related to the harmfulness of this activity, right?
In addition to Colorado, over 20 other states have banned conversion therapy for LGBTQ minors, those states marked here in yellow. If the court rules against Colorado, it could affect those states with similar bans and raise new questions about other state healthcare regulations. Now, the Trump administration did file a brief urging the court to find that the law does burden speech, while also saying a ruling in favor of Chiles would not upend state regulations in other areas. A ruling is expected sometime next year. Reporting for the National News Desk, I'm Jeff Harris.